How can I check my Apple ID balance before using it for Apple Pay?
Hello there, welcome to our guide. Today, we'll walk through the process of checking your Apple ID balance. Knowing your balance is crucial, especially if you're planning to use Apple Pay for any upcoming transactions. Let's dive right in.
What is the Apple ID balance?
The Apple ID balance is the total credit that you have in your Apple ID account. This includes any iTunes gift cards, App Store and iTunes gift cards, or credit that you've added from your payment method. You can use this balance to make purchases in the App Store, iTunes Store, or to buy iCloud storage.
How to check Apple ID balance on an iPhone or iPad?
Here are the steps to check your Apple ID balance. 1. Open the App Store. Look for the blue icon with an A, made of pencil, paintbrush, and ruler. You will find this on your device's home screen. 2. Tap your profile icon. This is located in the upper right corner of the screen. 3. View your balance. After tapping the profile icon, your Apple ID balance will be displayed right at the top of the screen.
How to check Apple ID balance on a Mac?
If you're using a Mac, here are the steps to check your Apple ID balance. 1. Open the App Store. You can do this by clicking on the App Store icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight to search for it. 2. Click on your profile. This is located at the bottom of the sidebar on the left side of the screen. If you do not see the sidebar, click on View in the menu bar at the top of the screen and select Show Sidebar. 3. View your balance. After clicking on your profile, your Apple ID balance will be displayed under your name. So, that's how you can check your Apple ID balance before using Apple Pay. Now, you can confidently proceed with your transactions, knowing exactly how much credit you have in your account. Remember, staying informed about your balance is a good practice for managing your purchases and subscriptions. We hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.